Hello friends, welcome back to English is Easy. Today, we are going to learn something very important. Prepositions of time. In, on, and at. These little words are small, but they make a big difference in English grammar. So let's make them super easy for you. 1. In. For longer periods of time. We use in when we talk about a longer period of time. Think about months, years, centuries, or parts of the day. Examples. I was born in January. She graduated in 2015. Dinosaurs lived in the Jurassic period. We usually have breakfast in the morning. Tip to remember. In. Long time periods. Months. Years. Centuries. Parts of the day. 2. On. For days and dates. We use on when we talk about specific days and dates. Examples. I have an exam on Monday. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Her birthday is on Christmas Day. Tip to remember. On equals specific days and dates. 3. AT. For precise time. We use AT when we talk about a specific or exact time. Examples. The train arrives at 6:30 p.m. I go to bed at midnight. We met at lunchtime. Tip to remember. At. Exact time. Clock time. Festivals. Specific moments. 4. Quick comparison gumji. Let's compare them with one example. I was born in 2000. My birthday is on 5th June. The party starts at 7 p.m. See? In is big, on is medium, and AT is small and exact. 5. Common mistakes to avoid using. Don't say, I was born in January. Correct, I was born in January. Don't say, I will meet you on Monday. Correct, I will meet you on Monday. Don't say, the class starts in 5 p.m. Correct, the class starts at 5 p.m. So friends, now you know how to use in, on, and AT when talking about time. Just remember, in for months, years, centuries, parts of the day. On for days and dates. At for exact times and special moments. If you like this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English is Easy for more simple and fun grammar videos. See you in the next class.